Question 2, another straightforward question. We're asked for 60 as a product of its prime factors. So it's x times y times z and so on. I do this slightly differently, but the result is the same. I put a line down the page and write my number here. I then try to divide the smallest prime into it and write the result here. So my first choice will be 2. So this would end up being 30. Again, it's even. A 2 must go in, 15. This is now odd. The next prime up is 3. Yes, 3 will be successful. So 3 will go in here, leaving 5. 5 is itself a prime. 5 into 5 goes 1, and we're left with that. So this column here, if I multiply the results together, is the answer. I can say that 60 is equal to 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. And that's the answer.